Welcome to Real Estate 411. We're going to continue to talk about home buying. Why? Because 'tis the season. Home buying right now with the interest rates being low. I actually talked about on the radio, we had interest rates under 3%. In 28 years of being in this business, I've never heard of such a low interest rate. Why is that critical to know? Because that gives you the buying power to actually spend less and get more of a house. So, looking at things and knowing what to do to buy a home is really critical. We talked about becoming qualified. Well, to become qualified, we also have to take a look at your credit, looking at your spending habits, as well as what type of credit history you have acquired so far. Now, if you've got some issues with some credit card debt, which we hope you haven't, but if you do, we can embrace that and fix that as well. But also knowing and understanding if you've had 3 trade lines. These are accounts that are open that you're paying on a regular basis on monthly, and they rate you based on how you've paid. So if you've always been on time, you're going to get an awesome favorable rating, which will set you up for a much more aggressive interest rate on your mortgage. Now, also taking a look once again with your down payment and closing costs, which I've already recommended in a previous podcast. But also I want you to do is during this time of before you start looking for a home is become educated. Start reading some books on home ownership, why it's critical to look at the inventory, understand the days on the market, as well as taking a look at what you're willing to commit to. Sometimes committing to a home that might need some love. When I say love, I mean construction love. It might need to be updated. It might need some carpeting, some construction work, things that you may be able to build some sweat equity in instead of just buying a home that's move-in condition. You need to kind of decide what you're capable of and what you're willing to commit to, as well as start to research where you'd like to live. Many people take a look at the house itself, but location still becomes the number one variable when looking for a home, as well as where do you work at? Is it a far commute? And if it is, do you want to be near an interchange or a major highway to get you there? These are all things that you need to start and begin to think about when you make a wish list of what you're looking for in a home, as well as find a great real estate agent. Like I mentioned before, a real estate agent is your team player. They're kind of your quarterback of your house buying team because they will help you, guide you, and educate you through this process. If you have any questions at all, you can always reach me at realestate411now.com.